Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic yeast. To begin, you'll need a few simple organic ingredients. Start by selecting a fruit like organic grapes, apples, or raisins, as these naturally harbor wild yeast. You'll also need organic sugar and filtered water. Remember, cleanliness is key, so make sure all your jars and utensils are thoroughly sanitized before you start this exciting process. Now let's combine our ingredients. Take 1 cup of your chosen organic fruit, chopped into small pieces, and place it into a clean glass jar. Add 2 tablespoons of organic sugar and then pour in 2 cups of filtered water. Give it a gentle stir. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or cloth, allowing air circulation, and find a warm spot, ideally between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, for the initial fermentation to begin. To keep your yeast starter thriving, you'll need to feed it daily. Each day, add 1 tablespoon of organic sugar and 1/4 cup of filtered water to the jar. Give it a gentle stir to mix everything and introduce some oxygen. Over the next 3 to 5 days, you should start seeing signs of activity, such as small bubbles forming on the surface and a distinct, slightly alcoholic aroma. This indicates your wild yeast is becoming active. Your organic yeast starter is ready to use when it consistently shows vigorous bubbling activity, often within 5 to 7 days. It will have a strong, pleasant yeasty aroma and a slightly cloudy appearance. Once it reaches this stage, you can strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve to separate the active yeast water from the fruit solids. This liquid is now your homemade organic yeast, ready for your baking adventures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.